Welcome and good afternoon, parents and students. Thank you for joining me as I present the third grade students award ceremony. Let's begin. A few highlights before we begin. Our classroom during one of our reading fluency sessions. Our Georgia Habitat projects were amazing. Look at all the red we wore during Red Ribbon Week. And who can forget our trip to the Rock Ranch? And of course, distance learning. We just kept right on working. Jackson Elementary School Awards. Here are some awards that you could participate in or earn during the school year. And the awards go to Delia Barlow, JES Award, Panda Citizenship, Computer Lab Award, Six Flags Reading Award, Math Facts Fluency Award. Dylan Bartlett, JES Award, Panda Academic Award, Music Award, and Art Award. Christian Bryan, JES Award, Panda Award, Panda Citizenship, Computer Lab Award, Art Award, and Six Flags Reading Award. Bryce Childry, JES Award, Art Award, Physical Education Award, Six Flags Reading Award. Remington Collins, JES Award, Computer Lab Award, Six Flags Reading Award. Madison Daniels, JES Award, Panda Award, Art Award, Computer Lab Award, and Six Flags Reading Award. Jordan Goodman, JES Award, Art Award. Lania Jackson, JES Award, Art Award. Gabe Chrismanis, JES Award, Art Award, and Six Flags Reading Award. Janala Lee, JES Award, Panda Citizenship Award, Art Award, Physical Education Award. Austin Morris, JES Award, Art Award, Physical Education Award, Six Flags Reading Award, Reading Counts Award. Chloe Phillips, JES Award, Panda Citizenship Award, Art Award. True Scott, JES Award, Panda Citizenship Award, Six Flags Reading Award. Cameron Sessions, JES Award, Six Flags Reading Award, Perfect Attendance Award. Jasmine Simmons, JES Award, Panda Citizenship, Art Award, Six Flags Reading Award. Carly Soseby, JES Award, Panda Award, Art Award, Computer Lab Award, Music Award. Trazon Strickland, JES Award, Art Award, Six Flags Reading Award. Dixie Watts, JES Award, Panda Award, Panda Citizenship, Art Award, Physical Education Award, Music Award, and Six Flags Reading Award. Carmelo Willis, JES Award, Art Award, Computer Lab. I just want to let everyone know that I'm really proud of you and I appreciate all the hard work and effort that you've applied this year. I hope you all have a safe and happy summer, and I have enjoyed being your teacher. I will love you forever. Thank you for joining me, and goodbye now.